Hi, this is Francis Massen from the Computarium. I auctioned on eBay a nice DIEHL D15 mechanical calculator from 1957. It didn't work at all. The motor turned noisily, but the machine was completely blocked. A further problem was that after a couple of minutes, the spark repressing filter device, which is here mounted on a very difficult to access board, blew up as a capacitor went up in smoke, and the machine didn't work anymore. With much tinkling and trying different features, I managed to rewire the machine so that it works now without the spark depressor and directly on 110 volts only. The machine is very nice. It has an automatic or semi-automatical multiplication and also an automatical division. Let me just show the multiplication. Something easy to do. 25 times 25. We have a multiplier block here, so if I want to multiply by 25, I first push the button 5, and you see that the carriage shows 125 and went one position to the right. So next decimal 2, and we have the total 625. The machine has a lever to return the carriage to its position, and also another lever which will automatically zero out all these two counters. Let's try the division. We will try the approximation of pi 355 divided by 113. First, we move the carriage to the right. We type in 355 and we enter it into the result register. The operational register which will hold the result shows 1, so we simply zero this. Now we type in 113, and the division is done by pushing simultaneously both of these knobs. So let's do that carefully. So you see that the division is a subtraction done as many times as is possible, and if there is an underflow, there is a positive rotation made, and the carriage is displaced to the left. And here we have the approximation 314,159. There is a shortened, more advanced knob here, which allows to enter the dividend here on the right of the keyboard, not on the left, and which will first display move the carriage to the right and enter it. But it doesn't work for a reason tied to this tabulator, which doesn't work as it should, and I didn't have found the error up to now. So against all expectations, the machine works very fine, even if it has been rewired in a very, very non-orthodox manner. But I will assemble it now in its case, and it's something of a gem in our collection. Thank you for your attention.